2 days after the Indian Air Force's Sukhoi 30 fighter aircraft with its 2 pilots went missing soon after takeoff from Tezpur Air Base in Assam. Search and rescue operations continue but without any result and bad weather hampering the process. Till now, no breakthrough has been made in locating the aircraft and its pilots, the Indian Air Force said on Wednesday. An IF C-130 aircraft with electro-optical payload, an advanced light helicopter, and Chetak helicopters were tasked for the search operation on Wednesday. Su-30 aircraft with recce capability are also being utilized for locating the missing aircraft, the Air Force said. Apart from the aerial assets, 4 ground teams of IF personnel, 9 of the Indian Army and 2 of state administration were deployed on different axes to scour the area. Marginal weather prevailing in the area being searched is hampering and impeding the operation, an IF statement said. China, meanwhile, said it has no information about the missing Indian Air Force jet and warned India not to disturb peace in the border area while searching for it. The Su-30 jet with 2 pilots on board took off from the IF Tezpur Air Base, located about 172 kilometers from India-China border in Arunachal Pradesh around 9 am on a routine training mission. It lost radar and radio contact with the controlling station around 11 am near Arunachal Pradesh's Duas area, an area adjoining China, 60 kilometers north of Tezpur. Tezpur is one of the 3 IF air bases in the country that host the Sukhoi. China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Lu Kang on Wednesday said in Beijing that he had no relevant information on the missing jet. First of all, on the eastern section of the China-India border, our position is consistent and clear. We have been following the situation in South Tibet very closely. We hope India can stick to arrangements between 2 sides and avoid disturbing peace and stability in border areas, Lu said. Beijing claims parts of Arunachal Pradesh in India's northeast as South Tibet. Last year, a Sukhoi 30 Mk crashed near Najan town of Assam during a routine sortie. While the 2 pilots ejected safely, some locals suffered splinter injuries in the crash. Enjoy this video? Please do, comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.